If you want to free up storage on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, first of all, we can open settings. Over here in settings, you should be able to find about phone. And then in here, we can go to the storage, for example, in order to find the summary of everything that you have on your phone and how much space is taken by specific categories. And what you can do over here is you can tap on any of these categories in order to go into the details. You can open all your images, videos, apps, and so on and so forth. So you can go through these files in order to, for example, verify what you don't need anymore, and then you can delete it. But there are also some additional tools that we can use, like for example this clear button over here that allows you to get rid of cache files, obsolete files, packages, and residuals. And in here we can also tap on these options in order to find out what will be cleaned, what we'll get rid of. So of course, if you don't want to remove something, you can still uncheck that specific option. And once you're ready, we can just tap on the cleanup button over here in order to get rid of the trash. After that, we have some additional suggestions that you can of course use in order to get some space back, like for example cleaners for specific apps where we usually get rid of cache files. We also have a deep clean option that is also quite decent to use, so you can use these options in here in order to get rid of the files that you might not need to use anymore. Of course, individually we can go through these categories as I mentioned and then decide what you don't need anymore, and this is the best practice because usually you can decide how much space you need and then what you can actually get rid of. Of course, cache files and some data files that are stored by different apps can also grant you some space back, but usually apps, of course, and videos and APK files and sometimes even documents, of course, take the most of the space. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.